In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding the relationship between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem. Option A, gross primary productivity and net primary productivity are one and the same. This is incorrect. Now, gross primary productivity, that is GPP, is a measure of the total amount of organic matter produced by autotrophs, primarily plants, in an ecosystem through photosynthesis. So it represents the total energy captured by autotrophs from sunlight and converted into chemical energy in organic molecule. And net primary productivity, that is NPP, is the rate at which energy is stored in plant biomass after accounting for the energy lost through respiration. Thus, it represents the amount of energy available to consumers, that is herbivores and above, in an ecosystem. Option B, there is no relationship between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. This is also incorrect. Now, NPP is equal to GPP minus R. That is, NPP is derived from GPP after accounting for respiration losses. Option C, gross primary productivity is always less than the net primary productivity. This is also incorrect. From the equation, NPP is equal to GPP minus R, where this respiration represents an energy loss from an ecosystem. So NPP is always less than GPP. Option D, gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Now this is correct. From the equation, NPP is equal to GPP minus R, we can see that the GPP, which represents the total energy captured by producers, and NPP is the energy available for growth, reproduction after respiration losses. Thus, GPP is always higher than NPP.